This refers to redeeming the points or cashback you've earned from Bank of America credit cards. You can often redeem them as a deposit into a Merrill Edge investment account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Bank of America online banking. Navigate to your credit card's reward summary. Look for the redemption options, which typically include statement credit, direct deposit, gift cards, or travel. To redeem into Merrill Edge, you may select Deposit into Merrill Edge account or a similar option. The cash value of your points will be transferred to your linked investment account, where you can then invest it. My crucial pro tip? Check if this option gives you the best value. Sometimes, redeeming for a statement credit or travel through the portal offers a similar or better cent per point value. Always compare the cash value you're getting against other redemption options before choosing. Turn your spending rewards into an investment in your future. Do you prefer to redeem rewards for immediate bills or for long-term growth? For more guides on strategic rewards, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.